We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
A three-phase line has the conductor centimeter diameter spaced equally one meter. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter apart if the dielectric strain you can write with your note and pen also, of air is 30 kilovolt is a maximum value per kilovolt, but we need actually RMS value. This is the maximum value, we need the RMS value. Find the critical descriptive critical voltage for line, and another data, that delta means air density, that is delta, which is given 0.952, and irregularity factor which is given 0.9, which is the value of m0. Now we have the equation. What is the equation that we have seen? That Vd equal to m0 z0 delta r log d by r base e, right? And the answer, which is kilovolt per phase value, but we need this value is a RMS value. Now what are the datas given? So data, let's say data given, so one is the delta is given, that is, what is the value? 0.952. m0 is given, which is 0.9. r is given. What is the r? R is actually 2 centimeter is the diameter. Diameter is the 2 centimeter. So r is 1 centimeter. The distance, spacing between conductors, which is denoted by d, it is given 100 centimeter, right? So m0 is given, g0 is actually written 30 kilovolt value, but it's a maximum value per centimeter. So the RMS value is 21.1 kilovolt per centimeter, which is the RMS value. Which is the RMS value. How you can find the RMS value? You have to divide it 30 by root 2. So this is your RMS value. Now M0, G0, delta, R, D, R, everything is given. So we need to just write down all the values. So M0 is 0.9, multiply G is 21.1, multiply delta is 0.952, multiply R. What is the R? R is the 1. Then log D is 100 by 1, right? And base is E. So answer is kilovolt per phase value. And that value is the RMS value. Now calculating this, so we have the answer. The answer is, you can verify by yourself, 83.64 kilovolt per phase value. So this is your VD, but it is the per phase value. So we need the line value. So line voltage is equal to root 3 multiply 83.64, right, kilovolt, and that answer is 144.8 kilovolt, right? So this is one of the example. In this example, you can see it is very simple. You just use the equation, right? We need this equation. VD equal to M0, Z0, delta, R, log D by R, where the M0 is the irregularity factor, G is the dielectric strength of air, dielectric strain of the air, right? But we need this value in a RMS value, right? Then delta, that is the air density, the radius, the spacing between two poles, and R is the radius. So we need this value, and we put this value in this, and we got this answer. So this is one of the example.